prefer using ATMs with security guards or those inside bank branches. Organized scammers have installed equipment on legitimate bank ATMs, automated teller machines to steal unsuspecting customers' ATM card numbers and PINs. The fraud involves tampering with the ATM to cause the customer's card to get stuck inside the machine when they attempt to use it. A robbery of a person using an ATM is a serious concern. Once the card is stuck, the scammers offer to help the customer by entering their personal identification number PIN for them. When the PIN fails, they suggest the victim file a complaint with the bank. After the customer leaves, the fraudsters retrieve the card from the machine and withdraw money from the victim's account. This scam is dangerous as it exploits the victim's trust in strangers, offering help in a difficult situation. According to a step-by-step guide uploaded on Instagram by @tech_Isla, users should follow the instructions below to protect themselves from ATM scams. Before inserting your card, gently pull the card holder to ensure no skimming device is attached. Always cover the keypad with your other hand when entering your PIN to prevent hidden cameras from capturing it. Scammers sometimes block the cash dispenser slot with a sheet. If your cash doesn't come out, they might retrieve it after you leave. Prefer using ATMs with security guards or those inside bank branches. If you suspect a scam, call the provided emergency numbers for help. Following these precautions can help safeguard against ATM fraud and protect your personal information.